Welcome to Learn Tenses the Easy Way, a simple guide to mastering English tenses. The present simple tense is used for actions that happen regularly or always. Common key words include always, every day, usually, often, sometimes, and never. For example, he runs to school every day. This shows an action that happens regularly. The present continuous tense is used for actions happening right now. For example, she is running right now. This describes an action happening at the present moment. Some common key words are right now, at the moment, and today. The past simple tense is used to describe actions that happened before, in the past. Common key words include yesterday, last week, and in 2015. For example, he ran 5 miles yesterday. This describes something that happened in the past. The past continuous tense describes actions that were happening in the past for a period of time. For example, he was running when it started raining. The running was happening, and the rain interrupted it. In past continuous, we use while for two actions happening together, and when for one action interrupting another. At that moment is used to specify the exact time something happened. The past perfect tense is used for actions that were completed before something else in the past. For example, he had run 5 miles before it started raining. The running was completed before the rain began. Keywords include before, by the time, and after. The present perfect tense talks about past actions that have a result or importance in the present. For example, he has run 3 times this week. This shows the importance of the past action in the current week. Common keywords include since, for, already, and yet. We use for to talk about how long something has been happening. For example, he has run for 2 hours. This tells us how long the action has been happening. We use since to talk about when something started. For example, she has run every day since Monday. This tells us the starting point. The future simple tense is used to describe actions that will happen in the future. For example, he will run a race tomorrow. This describes a future event. Common keywords include tomorrow, next week, and soon. The future continuous tense describes actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. For example, he will be running at 6 p.m. tomorrow. This shows an action in progress at a certain time in the future. Keywords include at, specific time, and at this time tomorrow. The future perfect tense describes actions that will be completed by a certain time in the future. For example, by next month, he will have run 10 marathons. This describes an action that will be finished by a specific time in the future. Keywords include by, before, and by the time. Thanks for watching. Practice these grammar rules and keep improving. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons.